Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels lag. So if your Reels keep stuttering or buffering, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to clear the cache of your Instagram app. Go to your phone's settings, open Apps or App Management, scroll down and find Instagram. Tap on Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache. This removes all the temporary files that might be slowing down your Reels. Don't worry, it won't delete your photos or messages. Next, open your Instagram app again. Tap the three lines on the top right corner. Scroll down and open Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and find section called Your Apps and Media. Under this section, click on Data Usage and Media Quality. Here, you'll find an option called Data Saver. Turn this on. It helps Instagram use your data more efficiently and reduces lag while watching or uploading Reels. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.